Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a selection based puzzle. It says that there are 6 boys Prakash, Azam, Lalit, Ishan, Nikhil and Dalpreet, and 5 girls Ruby, Urja, Meera, Eliza and Sneha. So out of these 11 people, a volleyball team of 6 members is chosen, and these are the conditions given to us. Now in these kind of questions, team selection based question, you are given certain conditions, and in a question they will give you one more condition. So based on that condition you have to pick the team. So if you look at this question, it says that if the team consists of 4 girls, the members of the team are okay, so out of 5 we have to select 4 girls. Now if you read the very first statement, it says Eliza and Sneha have to be together. If I do not select Eliza and Sneha, so I will be left with only 3 girls. So that means they will be selected. So Eliza and Sneha will be selected. Okay. Now Lalit cannot go with Eliza, so Lalit will not be selected. Now we have to select 2 out of these 3. Lalit and Urja have to be together. Since Lalit is not selected, so Urja will also not be selected. So that means Ruby and Meera will be selected. So these are the 4 girls. Now if Meera is selected, then Azam should also be selected, right? So Azam is the 5th person, and Ruby is selected, so Ishan cannot be selected. So Ishan will not be selected, and then similarly Prakash and Ishan have to be together, so Prakash can also not be selected, right? And Azam is selected, so Nikhil cannot be selected, so Dalpreet will be selected. So we will have the team as Azam, Dalpreet, Ruby, Meera, Eliza and Sneha. So these are the 6 members of the team. Next question. If the team consists of 5 boys and there is only 1 girl, then the girl would be. So in the previous question, we saw that Azam and Nikhil cannot be teamed together. If you see the last statement, it says Azam and Nikhil cannot be teamed together. Now we have to select 5 boys. So it means that one of these will be selected, Azam or Nikhil, and the remaining 4 boys will be selected. So the remaining 4 boys are Prakash, Lalit, Ishan and Dalpreet. Okay. Now if you select Lalit, so Urja has to be selected. So that means Urja will be the girl in the team. Next question. If the team consists of 4 boys including Nikhil, you have to find the other members of the team. Okay. So Nikhil and there are 4 boys. So first of all, we know that Azam will not be selected, because Nikhil and Azam cannot be together. So Nikhil is there, Azam is not there. Okay. Now we will have to find the remaining 3 boys. Okay, so if we see further statements, it says that Azam and Meera have to be together. Now we know that Azam is not there, so Meera will also not be there. Okay, so if you see an option with Meera, you can eliminate that. Okay, you can eliminate option D. Okay. Now next is there are 3 boys, and these boys are Prakash, Lalit, Ishan and Dalpreet. Okay. Now Prakash and Ishan have to be together. If I do not select them, so I will have only 3 boys. So I will have to select both Prakash and Ishan. So Prakash and Ishan will be selected. So we've selected 3 boys. Now Ishan cannot go with Ruby, so Ruby will not be selected. Okay. And if I pick, now we are left with Lalit and Dalpreet. Okay. If I pick Lalit, so Lalit means that Eliza and Sneha cannot be selected. So if I pick Lalit also, in this team, if I pick Lalit as well, Eliza and Sneha will not be selected, because Lalit cannot go with Eliza and Eliza and Sneha have to be together. So if I pick Lalit, only Urja can be the only girl, but we have to select 4 boys and 2 girls also, right? So I will not select Lalit. Hence we will select Dalpreet. So the fourth boy will be Dalpreet, and if we select Dalpreet, then who are the girls that can go? So we will see the boys, right? Prakash, Ishan, Nikhil and Dalpreet. So Prakash, Ishan and Dalpreet. Prakash, Ishan and Dalpreet are present in this option. Okay, so this will be the answer. Next question says, if the team consists of 3 girls including Ruby, the other members of the team are. So there are 3 girls, okay, and Ruby is one of them. So Ruby cannot go with Ishant, right? So Ishan will not be selected. And Prakash and Ishan have to be together, so that means Prakash will also not be selected. So we have to select 3 boys out of these 4. Okay. Now one of Azam and Nikhil has to be selected. We cannot select both of them. So if we have to select one, that means Nikhil and Lalit and Dalpreet are automatically selected. Because we have to select 3 boys, Azam and Nikhil, one of them will be selected. So Lalit and Dalpreet both will be selected. Right now, Lalit and Urja have to be together. So Urja will be in the team. Okay. Now Eliza and Sneha have to be together. Okay. And so Eliza and Sneha we cannot pick because we have to pick only 3 girls. So we will pick Meera. Okay. And anyway, if we are selecting Lalit, so we cannot have Eliza and Sneha. So we will pick Meera. Now Azam and Meera have to be together. So we will pick Azam. So our team is Azam, Lalit, Dalpreet. Okay. And in the girls we will have Ruby, Urja and Meera. So Azam, Lalit, Dalpreet, and we have Urja and Meera. So this will be the team selection out of these people.